In this video, I'll show you how to make a phone call using your Android phone. I have my iPhone here to test this call and I open the phone app. You can use the phone app or the contacts app, but the phone app is much easier. So open the phone app and most of the time you will find the information, the recent call or contacts. If you want, you could use the contacts. You could use the, I have the all option, but you could use contacts to find numbers. I made a search now, test Sita, and this is the phone number, and I can press on the number here, then I can see information about it. If I press here, I'm gonna call this number, so I can see the history. That's the history. Okay, so I can see the history here, and any of this, for each call I can see which SIM card was used, because I'm using a dual SIM. So I use a eSIM and a physical SIM. And if I want to call this number, I can press here on the green. Usually the green is to call, the red is to hang up. This is pretty much the usual idea, so I'll go back. In this list here, you see the recent, and also you can search the contacts there and you can view the contacts. So when I tap there, I can view the contacts. I can search in the contacts like that. Most of the time you don't need to go to the contacts. You will find the information here or in this search box. Okay, so I have these contacts here. If I press the name, it shows me more options. And if I press again, it makes the list smaller. This is the phone app from Google, the Google phone app. And if I want to call directly this number, I press on this little icon for a phone. And then it's calling. Okay, and now you hear me from both phones. So I will turn off the Android phone. Okay, I will turn on the speaker now for my Android phone. Now you hear me from the Android phone. You hear me from the Android phone. And that's how they look like. When you're finished talking, finish the conversation, you can use the speaker to easily talk to each other on the speaker without having to put the phone on your ear. Usually to talk on the ear, you put this side on the ear, but like this on the speaker, it's easy. You can just talk without putting the phone on your head. And when you're finished talking, you can press this red button. It ends the conversation. That's how you make a phone call on Android using the phone app and the contacts. One of the recent missed calls, you could have a number that you don't have in your contacts list, but it's in the recent, they called you or you called them before, or they are in the history. You can search for them, you can see them in this list. And when you press on the little phone icon there, it's gonna call that contact, like you see now. And they might also reject the call. When they reject the call, you get line busy and you can call back later. I hope this helps you make phone calls from your Android phone to your contacts and recent list. Thanks for watching.